Guys, it's been a long time. I left the shop. I mean, shop's not closed, but it's so far from home that shop don't matter anymore. I'm back to working at home. I haven't posted a video in a long time, so I decided I'll just do it in my new garage. It's a small garage, but I guess I have to do because I have all types of excuses not to upload videos. And I see people doing work in small spaces, so we're just gonna have to go back to the roots and make videos in small spaces. So today, what I'm starting with is the beast, the freaking Hayabusa. So I'll post a video of the last time I freaking rode this bike and it acted okay. After that race, quote unquote race, me and my homeboy were just chilling and messing with each other. The bike never ran the same ever again. It just kept getting slower and slower and slower. I thought I was just getting used to the speed, but that was not the case. It's just that it looks like the battery was losing power, so it looks like I need a new stator and regulator, whatever that means. And problem with this, if you don't have enough juice in your battery, when you crank the throttle, you're just not gonna have full power. And then I started realizing what was wrong with the bike along the way when the bike started like dying randomly, and I had to like kick start it and stuff like this. So I got the part from Amazon. I'm about to open it in front of you guys, and then we'll work on the bike and put it in and see if it makes a difference. All right, these are the parts. They're very smart to send me a gasket, the actual part I need. And it can never hurt to freaking change this also. So I bought the package where I can have both. So I'll put the link in the description. And we're about to work on this bike. It looks like I actually need to be sitting on the other side. Like I said before, I haven't been putting on videos because I was stuck on some biker shit. I'll post some pictures so you guys can see. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, it's been a little bit of work. Elizabeth, you can't ride, okay? It's too fast for you. Anyways, see tools all over. I didn't use many tools. So basically, this is how the parts look. If you're only changing the stator, you won't have to do much. I had to take off this side of the fairing. Obviously, I did not go through the whole process with you guys because my bike been in a crash before. So some of the, how you call this? Some of the clamps, some of the bolts are missing or mismatched. And some of the stuff is held by zip ties. So once I change the fairing, I'll make a complete video for you guys. Basically, it has one here, one here. It has, I had to take off this main one because I have frame sliders. These just clip off, they just unclip, and then I have two at the bottom. And then this one here obviously broke off, hence I have to get new fairings. Anyways, it was easy to unplug right here. So basically, if you're just changing the stator, you just have to undo these bolts. I think they're 8s. And then I was not able to like hammer it off with a mallet because I just had to wedge a flathead in there and pry it off after I unbolted everything. It gets stuck because it's a magnetic piece. And then you have 3 bolts that holds it, and then 2 bolts that holds the sensor. And then that's about it. The only funny thing is these are exposed wires. These looks like they were insulated. I don't know how the manufacturer does it, but That's what I've been seeing so far, but that's what I'm gonna go with. Yeah, if you're only changing the stator, that's all you need to do. But since I'm still changing the rectifier also, you can't ride it. Relax. Since I'm changing the rectifier also, it probably under this seat or under the cowl. So we'll do that tomorrow. I have to go get some silicone and some razor blades to scrape this old stuff in and off, and then put some silicone in so I could replace everything. I had a pen right there, but not much oil came off, so it was just in case. So, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know, as far as the tools, you just probably need an Allen set, just a regular Allen set that you use to take off your fairing, and then a flat head and a mallet. That's it. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Say good night, Elizabeth.